totally took everything out of the house. Look at the pictures. You know this woman, Samantha Bryant, aka Samantha Bryant, aka Samantha Janelle, aka Janelle Bryant, aka Sabrina Esch, and actually a couple others. Man, she's been traveling around Costa Rica, visiting Costa Rica, vacationing in Costa Rica for a while, maybe even living here. She's been a naughty, naughty little girl. And we're gonna get to that. Some would say a bitch. I'm gonna let you decide. You're gonna know how I feel in a little bit. Anyway, guys, I'm Michael Allen for TravelCostaRicaNow.com. We're gonna get right into it. Now, one thing you guys need to know, when you hit the subscribe button, it does help me. But to help you, you've got to hit the notification bell. To see when we put up another video, hit the bell and you will be notified every time we put up a new video. I can tell by your guys' questions you missed some videos because I answer them. So hit the notification bell and then you'll know. You don't have to watch it, but you'll be notified that there's a new video that we put up. Okay, so first of all, who is Samantha Bryant, who's been vacationing around Costa Rica? Well, I saw her. She's a beautiful woman, man. She's a beautiful woman. She used to be on the WPLG Local 10 News in Miami. She's a fellow YouTuber. She's got a channel, I think about 23,000 subscribers, where I think she talks about day trades and stocks. She's a fellow YouTuber. And actually, she's got a couple other YouTube pages. She's an Instagrammer. She's got a bunch of accounts. Now, we're going to be posting her pic. You're going to be seeing her, man. Trust me, you're going to be seeing her. We're going to be just doing snapshots of her YouTube pages, all that, because she deserves it. Oh, she's been very naughty. All right, so that's who she is. And you can see she's a good-looking woman, man. I can see how she got on the news. But, man, you can't always tell about a person, right? Can't always tell about a person. All right, a lot of you guys know, okay, here's the story. D'Angelo has an Airbnb. It's called the Mountain House. It's next to the volcano. It's beautiful. We've done a bunch of videos there up there. We've walked around the yard. We've showed the inside. It's been a labor of love for years. We've been working on that, fixing it up, making it better, making it nicer. And if you look at the reviews on Airbnb, you'll see people love it. We love it. Our friends love it. We go up there, we drink beers, they get high, whatever, watch hummingbirds. It's a phenomenal, cool little place. Well, that is pretty much D'Angelo's income. All right, that's how he makes his money. That's how he makes his money. It's Airbnb, and it's a nicer one, so he can charge, you know, a little more. So this Samantha Bryant, she writes D'Angelo and says, I'd like to stay in your house. What can you do for a month? They work it out. She says yes. Next to D'Angelo is our friend Harry, who's got this, he's got some cabinas. So she stayed at his cabina overnight, just enough to sleep, and then check into our, you know, D'Angelo's place the next day. Well, the next day, Harry writes to me and he goes, man, she's dirty. And I was like, wow, okay. Now, I already didn't like her. Okay, I already had a vibe about her. I was already telling D'Angelo, man, I don't know about her. I don't know about her. So she gets in. I don't check her in. Harry does. They get the keys and she checks in. She's there 1 month. 1 month, okay? The whole time I kept saying, man, when you go to your house, I got a feeling you're gonna have some problems. And even he was feeling, I mean, even D'Angelo kind of felt the vibe on this. Now I want to show you how D'Angelo presents the house before you rent the house. So you're gonna see a bunch of pictures of his mountain house on the inside. All right, so those are gonna be floating by, right? So when you rent his house, that's how it looks. He's up there cleaning, he's getting it ready for the next customer all the time, and it's always looking good. And again, go look at the Airbnb reviews if you don't think that is true. Now, the day she left, D'Angelo rushed up there, and I wrote him that morning because I knew she was leaving. I go, man, I got a feeling this isn't gonna be good. Well, it wasn't even close to that. I was wrong. It was 1,000 times worse. This was like going into, she literally, Samantha Bryant, YouTuber, fucking newscaster, totally took everything out of the house. Look at the pictures. She took the couch that's in the living room and put it out on the porch. Totally molded over in 30 days. Took every piece of artwork off the shelves. She literally had to get on a ladder. It's got earthquake putty on it. Some of it's held up with wire, some of it's screws. She literally unscrewed shit. Did wires. I'm not, see, you guys are like, going, Mike, that's too much. We can't believe that. Look at the pictures. She literally ruined every sheet, every towel, every comfort. It's like, seriously, she wiped her ass with the sheets and wiped up wine with the sheets. That's what she did with the comforters. And a lot of them were just missing, just gone. Every towel. Now, we just don't put up cheap ass towels. This isn't a little apartment rental. This is a nicer house and people expect nicer comforters, nicer sheets, nicer towels. And D'Angelo does that. So think of that. Think of about, let's say, 15 towels totally ruined, sheets, comforters. She literally, I don't know if you saw the wine rack in the pictures of the beginning, she drank 19 bottles of wine, 19, that are there for the client if they just don't feel like going to the store. It doesn't come with the house. It's very clear that, hey man, you want a bottle of wine, just leave the $15 on the thing. You know, it's all good. We just do it like that. And people have always been good about that. 19 bottles of wine, dude. Again, every piece of artwork, which she broke, taking it off. She took the curtains off. I mean, look at these pictures. She literally made D'Angelo's house an abandoned building. It was so bad. I can't, it was so crushing because when D'Angelo went up there, see, he rents the house, right? He had people coming in the next day. The next day. He was sweating. You walked in, we actually thought it was revenge. It was so bad. We thought, do we know this? Did we hurt somebody in our past life that, she's coming back to haunt us and we deserve? No. Now, what we think she was doing, because it looked like Burning Man in the house. Do you know Burning Man? So she took everything out of the house, and she even covered up the labels of the marks. Like if it said Samsung, that's covered. So taking all the marks off, it's like she was having ayahuasca ceremonies or mushroom ceremonies up there. We don't know that to be true. We just think. I want to show you something. Now, I don't know what she was thinking. Obviously, she's never seen CSI. Do you see the picture of the trash out front? D'Angelo went through it all. You don't know D'Angelo, man. You know that phrase, a woman scorned? Take that and times that shit by 100. He went through all the trash. We know who she was. We have her passport number, all her receipts. And she said she was gonna be checking in as a single person. No, she brought somebody else. We're not gonna mention him right now because this is all about her. So we have all the receipts saying who she is, because some of you guys are going, she's a YouTuber. People are asking her where she is, man. Do you know this, Samantha? I know you're thinking, you people that know her go, this can't be her. She's great, she's beautiful. Here's the receipts, passport number. She's been to the embassy. We know all the stores she's been to. She didn't watch CSI, but D'Angelo's seen it. So we found her. We found out about all this, her being a YouTuber, an Instagrammer, and all that. So we got the proof. So Samantha, if you want to come after us for slander, I say get your lawyer. We're ready. And we got even more. This is just part of our stuff we have on you, bitch. Now, I know a lot of you guys are going, but Mike, it's Airbnb. Airbnb helps you. Without getting into that story, trust me, D'Angelo tried to go that route, reports and all that. We're just going to go, it didn't work. So trust me, we know about Airbnb. We've been using it for a long time, but unfortunately, Airbnb was of really no help in this situation. So there you have it. Now, if you've never... if you've always appreciated this information we give you, man, and you're like, we should donate to, that Michael and D'Angelo Travel Costa, don't donate. Here's what you can do. I want this video shared, even if you just use the link.
Share this video so that other property owners can be aware of her existence here. Please share this video if you have somebody you know that rents property here. And please share this video so that we can get this out there into the travel community and get this person out of our part of the world.
Explain yourself. Explain yourself. Pass this video on, because I can tell you D'Angelo is going to. Because you know what's funny? We were checking out her YouTube page of her day trading, right? Or her stock stuff she talks about. Well, I guess to make a name for herself, she went after a lot of other people who have YouTube pages that do the stock stuff too. And she goes after them. She like attacks them in her videos. You know, like, where's your proof that you're a day trader? And I know she attacks people. We'll just go with that. So don't think we're not going to send this video to those people that she's been dissing along her way. You're going to see, you've seen the pictures of her, man. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. We want this bitch to burn. I'm telling you, I'm serious. I want her to Google herself. Yeah, I got some, and I want this video to show up. She needs to make this right. And you know what? See, here's the problem. Not only were people coming in the next day, you know, okay, I don't know what you know about us, man, but we don't live high on the hog. We don't got a bunch of money. COVID killed us. COVID killed D'Angelo. You think people were renting his house, his apartments? He had to pay rent for a year and a half on 4 places, 4 places and stuff. So this hurt him, and this was not hundreds of dollars. This is thousands of dollars. Seriously. So either share this video wherever you can. Wherever you can make it up. It doesn't even matter. Put a link on. Go, can you believe this girl did this to our friends? Whatever you got to do. All those links are in the description. Please help us out. And if you don't want to help us out that way, man, donate to D'Angelo, because he could use some help, man. He got burnt so big on this. It was sad. Anyway, guys, I hate using our platform for this. I do. But man, if we're going to do it, we're going to do it big. We might do another video about you too, Samantha. You might want to get in touch. We're not done with you. Did I say biatch? Anyway, guys, I'm Michael Allen, TravelCostaRicaNow.com. Ain't helping you, Samantha, is it? Did I say her name was Samantha Janelle Bryant? Samantha Bryant? Been visiting Costa Rica, wreaking havoc around the country. Things are going to pop up, man. Always do your homework and research. Thinking about living or traveling anywhere, no better way to start than our videos. All right, man. I got some explaining to do about where I've been, and I'm going to do that in the next video. Thanks.